Welcome to Home of Math, Information and Data, Exercise 8, Class 6, Mathematics, number 15. We already solved 1 to 13 previous videos. Our first question: the secured marks in mathematics of 20 students of your class are. So these are marks of 20 students. The subject is mathematics. So here is some question. First, are these organized data? So first question, it's a very simple. It's not organized data. So the answer is no. Why? Look, these are unorganized data because they are listed randomly without any specific order. Like here is 30, here is 40, again here is 35. Look, 40 is larger than 35, and again 50, 60, 70, and in middle part also again 30 become 40. So it's not organized, it's a unorganized data. Okay, so first question answer is no, and if you want you can clarify like this. Question B: if the data are unorganized, organize it. So we know these data are unorganized. So once we organizing this one, it will become, look, here is 30 and 30. We already see here is a 30 and also here is a 30. So 30, 35, 40, 40, 50, 60, 60. Like this way we are organizing this one. So question A and question B of 15 done. Question 15, number C: arrange the data in ascending and descending order. We know lowest to highest it's a ascending, and highest to lowest it will become a descending. So ascending order like 30, 30, 35, 40 up to 100, because 100 is the highest mark. But once we are making descending order like this, 100 will become first and 30 will become last. Okay, so this is a ascending order and this is a descending order. Number 15 has another question, which is find the arithmetic mean. We know arithmetic mean is the average. It means here is 20 students marks. So we have to make summation every student's mark and divide will be by 20. Why? Because the number here is total number of students is 20. So how we can solve this one? We know arithmetic mean means sum of all numbers and divide by total numbers. So once we are making summation like 30, 30, 35 dot 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 like this and divide by 20. Now the summation is 1330 divide by 20 and our answer is 67.50. I hope you understand this one. So number 15 done. Now we will start number 16. Here is mentioned measure and present the weights of 15 students of your class and find the mean. The weights of 15 students are someone 50 kg, someone 68, someone 68, 62, etc. and etc. So we know about what is mean. Mean is sum of all numbers and divide total numbers. Look, all the numbers once we make summation it will be like this, and total person is or total number is 15. So once we make summation the result will be 1014. Once we divide by 15 the result will be 67.60. So 67.60 is a average weight of student, or we can say this is mean. Okay, so number 16 done. Number 17, find the median of the following data. So first we have to know about what is median, already we discussed about first part, but let's again we discuss. If the given data is arranged in order in ascending or descending, the value which divides the data in two equal parts is called median. Therefore, we are thinking, is this data is ascending or descending? We have to first organize. So look, it's not organized because here is 9, here is 12, and here is 10, here is 6. So first we have to organize this one. So which one is smallest? 6 is a smallest. So we can write 6. Then which one? 7. So here is 7. Then 8, right? Then 9, 10. 9, 10. Then what? 12. So this is 12. And now 13, 14, 15. So we can write this one 13, 14 and 15. So now we have to count this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9. N equals to 9. It means this is the odd number. So we have to know a formula. The formula is like this, median formula, which is for database with odd numbers, median equals to n plus 1 divide 2 term. So what does mean? N means here is 9. So we can write this one. So median equals to n means here is 9 plus 1 divide 2 then term, right? So n plus 1 is a 9 plus 1 is a 10. 10 divide 2 is a what? 5. It means fifth term. Now count. This one is first term, this is second, this is third, this is fourth, and this is fifth. So it means our answer is 10. Now we have to cross check. How? The value which divides the data in two equal parts is called median. So this is 10. Look, here is 4 numbers and here is also 4 numbers, right? And this is the middle part. Therefore the answer is right. Okay, I hope you cleared this one. So what is the formula? Formula, if number up to 9 or 10 we can just count and divide two part, and middle part will be median. And if you know the formula, it will be best thing to find the value quickly, right? Now number 17 done. Find the median of the following data, but this data is not arranged. We know about median. If the given data is arranged, the value which divides the data in two equal parts is called median. So first we have to arrange in order. Is it ascending or descending? Doesn't matter, but we have to make arrange. So this is our formula. Now we will arrange which one is smallest and which one is highest. We have to find out. Here is 600 is the highest one. Is it? No, this is the lowest one, and 2500 is the highest one. So now let's start. We can make this one arranging order. So 600, then 700, right? Then here is 800. We can write 800. Then what? 900. We can write 900. Then 1050, 1050, and then 1100, 1100, and 1200, 1200. Done this one. And then 1400, 1500, and finally 2500, 2500. Okay, so here is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So number 10, and this 10 is a even number. So even number, we have a formula which is n by 2 term plus n by 2 plus 1 term divide 2. What does mean? Look, here is n means 10. So median we can write equals to first n by 2 term. So 10 by 2 term, then plus 10 by 2 plus 1 term, right, divide 2. So here is 10 by 2 means 5, fifth term, and 10 by 2 plus 1, it means 5 plus 1, sixth term, right, divide 2. So now count. So this one is the first, this one is second, this one is third, this one is fourth, this one is fifth, right. So fifth and sixth, look, here is fifth term and sixth term. So we can write this one 1050 plus 1100 divide 2. So once we make summation, it will become what? It will become, here is 0, then 5, then 1, and 112. So what is the value? Once we divide 2150 by 2, the result will be 1075, and this 1075 is our median. Okay, so we can also make the solution another way. So this is 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and the value which divides the data in two equal parts is called median, we know. So once we look, here is 4 number, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and here is another 4 1. So one is left side and another one is right side. So our median will be in here. So 1050, look, here is 1050 plus 1100, here is 1100. Once we make summation and divide by 2, the result become this. So any kinds of way you can find the value, but the best way to know how to find the median, if the number odd or even. Okay, so number 18 done. Number 19, find the median of data. So we know the definition of median. So first, here is 9, 16, 14. So this is not arranging, so we have to arrange in order. So which one is the smallest? Look, the 7 is the smallest one. So first we write 7, then which one come? Here is 9, right, 9, then 11, okay, then next one is 12, we can write 12, then here is 14, 14, now next, here is 16, then 17, then 19, then 20, then 21, 21, and finally this is 22, which is highest one. Now what is the formula? First we have to count how many numbers in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So n equals to 11. So median will be like the formula with odd numbers. 11 is a odd numbers, this is odd. So formula is n plus 1 by 2 term. So n means what? 11 plus 1 divide 2, then term. Okay, so 11 plus 1 is will be 12 divide 2 term. So 12 divide 2 is a 6 term. So which one is the 6 term? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The result will be 16. Okay, so very simple. Now check, is it divide two equal part? Look, here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, here is 5, and here is also 5. So this 16 divide two equal part. So our right answer is 16, and 16 is our median. I hope you understand this one. Number 20, find the median of numbers. Okay, so there are lots of median practice. So first we have to synchronize or arrange in order. So here is 5, 7, 12, 10, 9, lots of number, but it's not arranging. So which one is the smallest? 5 is the smallest. So we can write 5. Then have any 6? No, here is no 6. So we can write 7. Then which one? 7, 8. No, here is no 8. So we can write 9. Then 10. Okay. Then 11. Then 12. And then 13. Here is 14. Here is 15. 16. Then have any 17? 17. No 17. So no 18. So here is 19. Right? 19. So 19. Then here is 20. Then 21. No 22. 23. 24. And 25. So now count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So n equals to 16. 16 is an even number. So our formula is median equals to first n by 2 term. So n divide 2. It means 16 divide 2 plus here is 16 divide 2 plus 1 divide 2, it's a term, right? So look, 16 divide 2, it means 8, and 16 divide 2 is a 8 plus 1, it's a 9, right? Divide 2, then term. Okay, so what will be the answer? Now find out which one is the 8th term. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8th term is a 14 plus 19 is a 15 divide 2. So 14 plus 15 is a 29 divide 2. So our answer is 14.5. This is our median. Okay, clear this one? If you clear this one, please write a line in the comments box. Otherwise I don't understand, you understand or not. So this is very important. Now look, 14 and 14.5, it means this is in here. So here is one part and here is another part. So 14 and 15 is the middle part. Once we make summation and by 2 we will get the result, which is 29.2. So question number 20 done. Now 21, the numerical values of some data, which is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 1, 1, 2, find the mode. So what is mode? Mode means most. It's the number you see most frequently in the data. Look, if we carefully check, so which one have any one which is come more, like here is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11, 12. So nothing will come frequently or repeatedly. Therefore the answer is no mode. Okay, so answer is no mode. So no mode today. We will stop in here. If you think this video is helping you, please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Next video we will start number 23, which is big question. Till then, take care yourself and keep practice at home. Thank you.